Rev up your engines!
Hey, Aziz, Scotty, I want to know what you think about the new Chevy commercial claiming that they're more reliable than Honda and Toyota. How are they allowed to say such lies?
Chevy is more reliable than Toyota, Honda, and Ford.
It's an advertisement. They're paying money. They can generally say whatever they want.
It's actually not Toyota either.
I get a laugh out of that one, though, because I've seen it. They take the blanket off, and then it's Toyota, they take the blanket off, and it's a Chevy, right?
Oh.
Chevy.
Oh my God, it's Chevy.
Listen to what they said. It says it's based on some kind of survey. They don't tell you who did the survey, not even what company it is, just a survey.
Based on a recent nationwide survey.
Who knows? Maybe they surveyed one person to work for Chevy. I have no idea.
You have me bragging.
Now, recently I came back from England, and in England they have very stringent laws about what you can say in advertisements and what you can't. And you never see ads like that in England. Pretty much, they can say whatever they want. Look at the political ads the last election. People were saying all kinds of stuff.
Might have been slightly wrong.
Who knows if any of it was true, because nobody fact-checked it, and as long as the political committees paid the television stations to run the ads, they ran them. It's money to them. They don't care.
I mean, I knew in my heart Toyota is one of the best brands out there.
Chevy's killing it.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.